Welcome back to Mind Matrix. In today's video, we are talking about atomic habits, a concept that can truly transform the way for personal growth. If you are looking to break bad habits, build new ones, or simply become more productive, then this video is for you. Stick around and I will break down the science behind habits and share actionable strategies to help you make lasting changes. Before we dive in, if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Alright, let's go into it. So, what exactly are the atomic habits? The term atomic refers to the idea of something being small but powerful. In the context of habits, it means making tiny changes that over time add up to big results. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire life or make huge changes all at once, atomic habits are about breaking down habits into small and manageable steps. Think of it like building a foundation. Small actions lead to big transformations when compounded over time. James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, breaks habit formation into four basic laws, which are make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. Let's take a look at each one. First, making it obvious. The idea here is to become aware of the triggers or cues that start your habits. For example, if you want to drink more water, leave a glass of water on your desk or near where you usually sit. You will see it and be reminded to take a sip. Next is make it attractive. If you want to build a habit, it needs to be appealing. This could mean pairing it with something you enjoy. Maybe you want to exercise more, so you listen to your favorite podcast or music while you work out. If you make the habit enjoyable, you are more likely to stick with it. Then make it easy. The key here is to reduce friction. Don't commit to running 5 miles a day if you are just starting. Begin with something small and easy, like walking for 5 minutes or doing a few stretches. Once it's easy to do, it becomes easier to make it regular habit. And finally, make it satisfying. Your brain loves rewards, and when you feel rewarded for a habit, your brain is more likely to repeat it. For example, after finishing a workout, you might give yourself a mental high five or track your progress on an app. Those small moments of satisfaction build momentum and keep you coming back for more. Now, let's talk about compound effect. The idea is simple. Small improvements make consistently and add up over time. If you improve by just 1% every day, by the end of the year, you will be 37 times better. But if you are getting worse by 1% each day, you will end up almost zero progress. The key here is that the small actions, when compounded, can have a massive impact. Another big idea from Atomic Habits is how your environment shapes your behavior. Your surroundings influence your actions more than you might realize. If you want to build a habit, set up your environment to support it. If you want to eat healthier, keep healthy foods accessible and put junk food away from yourself. If you want to read more, leave a book on your pillow or coffee table where you will see it often. The more your environment nudges you in the right direction, the easier it is to form those habits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment telling me what habits you are planning to work on. And hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.